Umentri rangba kejela haka arpulai tereng mentau benai. Ula Leit Iakynduh iki Bahaiing Hasem Jong Kiba La Shah Siat Iap Mukroh West Janya Hills District. Hakane kasi lai senran lang umentri rangba benrap uba prestun tensong umentri keterat penroi sor uba senyau bahalang dhar uba renekten lingdo baruba kerben shelang. Hakane kasi umentri rangba ula IT ru ika cek kebasan lang tingka ki Bahaiing Hasem Jong Kiba La Mat yakani kijing sosi.
I have come here today along with our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, our Honorable Ministers and the Cabinet colleagues, our MDCs and other leaders to tell you that we are with you in this time of sorrow and grief, and to tell you that we are here also to ensure that action is taken. We are also here to assure you that all the steps that are required to ensure that in future these kind of things and this oppression and this kind of difficulties you're facing should not be there, and also to assure you that the border issue is one of our top priorities, and we will do everything in our capacity to ensure that we are able to resolve the border issue at the earliest.
Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tourer, customized by Bomb for Force Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force 3rd Mile Upper Shillong.